career planning is a very critical subject. Why it is critical subject? Because it concerns it, the parents, it concerns the student, and it concerns the society in general. If career planning is not done properly, it not only impacts an individual child, not only impacts individual family, it also impacts the society. It is seen that 97% of the population, the student population, is not into any career planning process. The reasons are in so many, but one of the main reasons why this career planning has not really taken off is because somewhere or the other the parents involvement or engagement in the career planning for an individual is not to the extent possible. uh, of course, parents education, their upbringing has a role to play in that. But even if we find that no parents are capable of doing it, somehow that quality time has not been given to the subject of individual, and hence they take up subjects at random. They take up their career at random with no proper planning done. One of the thought behind this is that career planning is taken as an event, and career planning is not taken as a process. For example, I have to pass the engineering exam, so that becomes my career event. But career planning is actually evolves throughout the life of an individual. This particular thought process has still not shifted in the system. Uh, if it is seen that 40%, if the parents give 40% of their spend their time on career planning, 40 years 40 days of career planning with this will 40 years of struggle of children can be avoided, and this is a true fact. Now, Margdarshak, which is a noble organization and which is helping so many children, students, parents in getting things more in the process of career planning, and they have come out with various devices which are tools for career planning. I would name two, three tools which I found really helpful, and I would urge that people must go for that. Because one thing is for sure, once you go into a proper process, the things get formalized, and both parents and the student they start taking it more seriously. One of their tools is study organization tool, which helps folks or students to organize their study, to track their progress in terms of they have put up some goals in front that okay, I have to achieve certain targets, I have to cover certain portions in a limit, in a time frame, and they design their schedules. Then the probability of they achieving their target, their goals is much more than if you don't plan it. So it is said that if you write your goal, there is a 70% probability that you will achieve it. Same applies here also. So this is